Would you like to replace signs and old audio guides with state-of-the-art digital guides quickly and easily? Enable visitors to explore self-guided with their device or join a tour in any language? Enrich the visit with augmented reality experiences even with a limited budget? Welcome to SmartGuide. Imagine a museum where every artifact has a voice, every painting tells a story, and every exhibit becomes a journey. This is the future we envision with our state-of-the-art audio guide system, which every museum can afford. There is no need for long, boring texts that clutter the exhibits, outdated and unhygienic audio guides, or spending tons of money and time to develop and maintain your own app. Visitors don't want a different guide app for every place they visit anyway. SmartGuide is a bit like YouTube for travel guides. Destinations and attractions upload content on the ready-made platform, and with a few clicks, turn it into a professional guide. In our content management system, you just type in texts and upload images for each exhibit. We will automatically generate audio with the best AI-based text-to-speech system, or you can upload your own audio files. You don't need any development. It is as simple as putting a video on YouTube. The SmartGuide app turns a traveler's phone into a safe and engaging personal guide, both indoor and outdoor. It helps visitors to navigate through exhibits independently and away from crowds. Like a knowledgeable live guide, SmartGuide narrates captivating stories about each place or exhibit in your chosen language and at your own pace. You can even prepare special content for kids or other specific audiences. Visitors can use SmartGuide like a traditional audio guide in their own language on their own phone and explore the museum by themselves. You can easily migrate content from your existing audio guides to SmartGuide to reduce costs and improve customer experience at the same time. You can even run both in parallel. Some tours still require a live guide for safety or to protect the exhibits. Museums then use a live guide in one language and add foreign-speaking visitors on the tour with audio pre-recorded in their own language. That increases the number of languages you can offer on a tour and increases utilization of your groups and thus revenue. Visitors can easily access the right content. We support GPS QR codes, NFC tags, Bluetooth beacons, or even manual search by name or number. We will help you choose what works best for your attraction, and it is even possible to mix these so you can remove large multilingual information boards to reduce visual congestion. With augmented reality experiences, you can bring historical objects to life or let users virtually interact with objects they could not touch. We are committed to providing comprehensive support, including digitizing your content, preparing attractive visuals, and marketing and training your staff. SmartGuide uses modern, scalable, and secure cloud technology and takes care of all the app updates, maintenance, and even user support so that you don't have to involve IT or worry about anything. Custom-built apps deteriorate over time. On the contrary, the SmartGuide platform grows more powerful every month. For example, for the next season, we will enable automated translations. So even if you don't provide guides in Portuguese, Polish, or Chinese, visitors speaking these languages will get a machine translation, including audio, in their preferred language. This can be a game changer in catering to these audiences who find it more difficult to find information when traveling. Now, if you like it, but worry about costs, worry not. You can prepare the guide yourself and guide visitors even for free or take advantage of extra functions and services. We spread the costs across hundreds of attractions and destinations, so we can offer you an even more powerful solution for just a few €100 monthly. SmartGuide helps you make tourism digital, data-driven, and more sustainable, and exactly in line with the latest EU tourism strategy. SmartGuide also received numerous awards, including the Seal of Excellence from the European Commission, with a recommendation for funding from public sources. Unlike custom apps, the platform provides sustainability well after the 5-year requirements for public funding. So including the extra features in your public funding proposals can be a winning strategy. Speaking of budgets, you can save on live guides, printing of brochures, maintenance of audio guides, or custom app development. You can offer the guide for free, including it with the entrance ticket, or sell it to earn extra revenues. For example, the Pilsner Urquell Brewery and Beer Museum replaced foreign-speaking guides by SmartGuide, so foreigners can join any tour anytime instead of waiting hours for a subscale tour in their language. That means more revenues and fewer costs for live guides. Prague Museum of Transportation developed its own app a few years ago, but it deteriorated and did not work properly anymore. Instead of making a new app, they migrated the content to the SmartGuide platform so they don't have to worry about maintenance anymore. They also got access to more powerful functionalities that improved the user experience and even rolled the guide out on its historic tram tours. The Museum of Prague crafted an engaging guide as a dialogue between two actors in the top two languages. Recognizing the diverse linguistic needs of their visitors, but working with a limited budget, they used SmartGuide AI voice over capabilities for other languages. To attract more visitors, the museum is featured in the guide for the entire city and included in one of the most popular self-guided city tours. To convey the full story of an exhibition, the National Technical Museum appointed SmartGuide to prepare a turnkey tour with 15 exhibits in 2 languages based on an interview with the curator. SmartGuide prepared even custom signage with QR codes and guided first visitors already 2 weeks after the project was agreed. These are just a few examples of how SmartGuide already helps other attractions. So, are you ready to elevate your visitor experience? Every attraction is different, so we would love to discuss your situation and design a solution that works for you. Unlock the past, explore the present, and embrace the future with Smart Audio Guides.